What's up, guys? Welcome to the new episode of Sky Wars. Okay, we are starting in 5 seconds. Okay, this is Star Wars Teams. So let's go here. Come on. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. Ooh. Okay, that. Come on. Okay, and there you go, one. There you go, this. Okay. Let's go. Let's go there. I don't have eggs. Come on. Okay, let's eat. Let's punch him. Watch better. Okay, he's there. I can teleport. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Where to run? There! Come on! Oh yeah. Okay, I need a golden. Come on. Somewhere. Oh yeah, eggs. Oh, this is better. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this is better. Okay, we're full diamond. Oh, we can do this. Okay, let's this aqua infinity. No, I don't want aqua infinity. I need better sword. Oh, this is good. Okay, I need a sword and then enchant him. Come on. What is this? Nothing? Okay. I need a sword and then enchant him. Maybe iron, but I don't have iron. At the moment, cannot find. Let's see here. Maybe here is. Okay, knockback maybe is good. Okay, maybe knockback. Come on. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, where is this? Potato. Okay, where is food? Come on. I'm breaking sharpness, knockback. Okay. Maybe. Maybe sharpness with knockback. Let's try that. Race. Okay. No. Come on. Okay. Ow. I need more enchantment. Oh! Oh, bag. Come on, die. I need more enchantment. Maybe he have. Because I don't have. No! Go away. Hate you. Ah! Okay, let's go on the next player. Okay, maybe stuff are here. I think on this server that appear. Oh, I won! What a good part. Okay. And that was for this episode, and see you next time. Bye bye.